Hey guys, the next method that we are going to learn today is the copy method in dictionary. So the copy method is used to return a shallow copy of the current dictionary. Now, a shallow copy of an object is one whose properties are identical to those of the source object. So the properties of source and the copied object remains the same, from which the particular copy is being made. Now, sharing the references, what does it mean? So it is basically pointing out to the underlying value. So in short, a new dictionary is created in which the reference from the original dictionary is filled with a copy. We can also copy the dictionary using equal to operator, which points to the same object as the original. So if any changes is made to the copied dictionary, it is also reflected in the original dictionary. So in short, a new reference is created to the original dictionary. Yeah, we can see this with an example. Before that, we'll just check the syntax of copy method. So the copy method has a syntax of dict, that's the dictionary, dot copy. Again, we do not have any parameters within this parenthesis as well, and it returns a shallow copy of the current dictionary. So you need to remember that this method returns you a shallow copy of the dictionary. So note, let me make it bold, a shallow copy of it. Let me just quickly run through an example. Let's have a basic example first to understand on, on copy method. So suppose I have this dictionary D1, as we know, fruits and flowers. I am running this D2 equal to D1 dot copy, print D1 and print it. So I am printing both the dictionary. Yeah. So both dictionaries have the same content since we have copied it. Yeah. Let me just original dictionary. Copied dictionary. Yeah. Let me write this again. Yes. So this is our original dictionary and this is a copied dictionary. So there is no difference in the content. Now let's try to find out what it does. Now we are updating the elements of the second dictionary, therefore checking whether the changes are reflected in the first dictionary or not. Yeah. So if I try to make any changes in the second dictionary, it should give me something out of it. Yeah. So let me change what I can do is let's use the same. So what we are trying to do is checking whether the changes made to second dictionary are copied to the first dictionary or not. Yeah. So I have this example again. Yeah. I'm making a copy D2. I want to, I'm printing this copied dictionary D1 and D2. Then I'm making some changes. Yeah. So suppose I'm saying D1, D2 dot fruits, fruit dot append apple. So what I'm trying to do is I'm appending one more fruit into this list. Yeah. So this particular item, I'll say updated dictionary. Yeah. So what this code does, let me explain you what's happening. I'm creating the dictionary. I'm copying this dictionary to D2. Then I'm printing this D1 and D2 to check whether both the contents are same. Then in fruits, since it is a list, I'm appending one item, that is apple, to this particular list. Yeah. And I'm trying to print the updated dictionary. Let's see what is the output, what happens. Let me print D1 as well. This is the original one. So after making the changes, what happens to the original dictionary as well? So here is the original dictionary. Post a copying, it gives you the same contents. But you can see your original dictionary, after if I try to arrange, let me run this way. Okay. So this was my original dictionary and I copied it. Both the contents are same. Post that, I run this append command to the copied dictionary. So my updated dictionary in the copied dictionary was apple. But subsequently, since it is a shallow copy, original dictionary has also got updated with the new content, that is apple. Yeah. So you need to remember this is a shallow copy. So the copied dictionary is actually a shallow copy referencing to my original dictionary. So any changes that I make to this copied dictionary will automatically get updated to my original dictionary. Since you can see, I have not done anything in D1. I have just appended a new fruit into D2, whereas the original dictionary also got appended. Yeah? So you need to remember these concepts very clearly when you are trying to use a copy method. Now let's try to find out how we can create a copy without updating its original content. Create a copy without updating its original contents. Yeah. So we use the same example, fruit. We are just copying D2 dot copy. Then I am adding a new item to D2. So suppose I have copied this original copy and copied one. Then I am not appending, I am creating a new key and value, that is fruits, I'll say place. And I will pass on a list called Mumbai, comma, New York. Yeah. So I have created this new item within D2 and I am checking whether my updated copy, and then we'll see the original one. Yeah. So let's see by running this. You'll find my new place has got added here, but my original dictionary is intact as it is. Yeah. So here you can understand that I have created a new item which do not get or have not got updated in my original dictionary. Yeah. Whereas where I'm trying to append any of the items from my existing content, it is updating my original copy as well. Yeah. So that's the difference you need to understand when a copy is created without updating. If you try to update the copied content, the original is also getting updated. But when you are trying to add anything to the copied dictionary, it does not update anything in the original dictionary because it does not have any reference to it. Yeah. So this is the major difference that you need to understand between what is a shallow copy and which is the actual copy, which is being updated using the copy method. Yeah. So you need to be very careful using this copy method rather. Yeah. When the contents are getting updated in both the original as well as the copied set, as well as the when it could not be updated in the copied or the original set. So this is how I wanted you all people to understand what is the use of copy and some reference point or some cautious point that you need to look when you're copying the contents of dictionary. Hope you like this video. Hope you like this content and the examples within the video. Do like this video and share it across to your friends who want to learn Python. Do comment on the methods or the examples so that we can get inputs from you and we can improve the contents. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel in order to get such informative videos directly to you. Thank you so much.